Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account right here on HF Markets. If you want to do this, we go right here to open demo account, and then right now we select here which type we want to create. So let's do the demo premium right here. Then we select right here the platform MetaTrader 5, select currency US dollars, leverage is fine, and then now add the balance that you want to put on your account. Then after that, we need to create ourselves a password. So we will do this real quick. Click here on the check mark, and then now we click on open account. Then he sent all the details right here to our email address. And then right now, if we refresh this page and we go to view accounts right here, and we select right here demo, you will find right here your demo account. So this is how you can create yourself a demo account on HFM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.